Tomorrow we are expecting the Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy, and there is a hope of a rate cut building up in the system, though not too many are expecting the RBI to move on the key rates this time around. Simran Gill has polled treasury managers across 20 banks and financial institutions. She now joins in with the details of what exactly the market is expecting. Simran.
With the inflation numbers and the IIP numbers coming as a positive surprise last week, a few section of the market is expecting maybe RBI will cut rates in tomorrow's policy, but an ET Now poll suggests otherwise. Majority is not expecting any kind of easing by RBI in tomorrow's policy, and even most of them are not expecting any kind of easing even on the CRR front, despite a tightness in the liquidity in the system right now, because majority is expecting that RBI will continue to use OMOs as a preferred route to address the tightness in the liquidity at the moment. And of course, as far as the rate cut cycle is concerned, majority is expecting that the rate cut cycle will begin from Jan policy, and most are expecting that RBI will cut close to 50 basis points till March 2013. And of course, as far as inflation is concerned, majority is expecting that inflation will reach RBI's projection of 7% by March 2013, and bond yields will also ease a bit, and they will be somewhere below the 8% mark. And of course, as far as the credit growth is concerned, that is something that is of a bit of a concern right now. Despite the festive season, there hasn't been really a major uptick in credit growth, but most are expecting that somehow the banking industry will reach the RBI's projection of 16% for credit growth for the year. And deposit growth is something that will continue to remain muted, and it will lag, and it will be somewhere below 15%. So certainly, whatever kind of easing does happen tomorrow will be, of course, a positive surprise for the market, but something that the market will be watching out for is to see whether Governor Subbarao will continue to stick to his dovish stance that he had taken in the October policy.
The consensus seems to be that a rate cut may not really hurt, but it may actually spur the sentiment for growth. And therefore, if a rate cut does happen, I think it will be welcomed by the entire industry.
If I was to look at where interest rates will be in March of 2013, which is what, 3.5 months from now, in my view, RBI will cut rates by about 50 basis points.
There's unlikely to be anything on the rate front, although I am hopeful that there could be a further 25 basis points cut in the CRR.
Our view is that between now and March we can see about 50 basis points repo rate cut in totality.
Rate cut is possible. So I think one expects the beginning of the rate cut cycle to start with this credit policy.